Welcome to Ask and Learn.
All right, so I've taken the liberty of doing two things here. I've written out all of the values that we have for the cross-sectional areas over here on the left side. Then I've also written out their midpoints here in the second column. And remember that to find the midpoint, we just take the average of these two values. So 0 plus 18 over 2 equals 9, and then 18 plus 58 over 2 equals 38. And we do that for all of these. It's rather time consuming, but this is going to be the result. After that, what the midpoint rule tells us is that in order to approximate the volume here, we're going to need to take 1.5, which is the distance between the cross sections, and we multiply 1.5 by 9, which is one midpoint, then add to that 1.5 times 38, then add to that 1.5 times 68.5, etc. And we can also do something somewhat simpler, which is first we add all of these midpoint values, and then we multiply by 1.5. We just distribute out the 1.5. So if you add up all of these midpoints, you can do this by hand. I wouldn't recommend it. I would just do it by calculator. But if you add all of these up, you are going to get 900, which is pretty useful because that means that multiplying by 1.5 is very easy. 1.5 times 900 is just going to be 1350. So we're going to get 1350. Now, of course, we need units for this. We can't just say 1350. So we recall the units that we had. The areas were measured in square centimeters, and then 1.5 was the distance between the cross sections in centimeters. So our units are just going to be cubic centimeters because we have square centimeters multiplied by regular centimeters. So we have 1350 cubic centimeters. That is going to be our approximation for the volume. Yay.